So in the case of ArrayList, it is typically an array at the back end with the indices mentioned. All right. So the third class that we saw in the hierarchy was vector. So vector and ArrayList, they both maintain insertion order. They are, in terms of implementation, if you understand, they are just the same. Vector is nothing but like an array list only. The only major difference between the two is when it comes to a multi-threading environment. Vector is the synchronized and thread-safe version of ArrayList. So for all practical purposes, it is ArrayList that you would be using. Why? Because we understand whatever is not thread safe is typically higher performing class compared to its other variant for normal operations. As long as we are in a single threaded environment, we go ahead and we use ArrayList for all purposes. If you are working in a multi-threaded environment, then only you may choose to consider vector, which is the synchronized and thread safe version. And it grows. And another difference, which is not that relevant at this stage, but it's good to know that whenever you are trying to increase the capacity of an array list, it grows by 50%, whereas in vector, it grows by 100%. That is, it doubles itself in terms of size, in terms of its capacity. All right. So this is about ArrayList and LinkedList. Now we look at more examples to understand how